Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the headphone sound problems on our PC or laptop. So if your headphones are not working, sounding too low or not being detected, in today's video, we are going to fix it. The first thing we can do is check connections. So for that, you can head over to connections tab right here and ensure that your headphones are connected properly from either here or go ahead and look out for that in your settings. Another thing you can do is set your headphone as the default device. So you can just go to sound. Let me open settings. You can hit Windows plus I for that. And once you open up your settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. And from Bluetooth and devices, look out for the device that is connected to you. For example, headphone or anything. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and set it as your default device on your headphone. So look out for that and set it up. So you can go over to sound and look out for a device that is connected. And once you do so, you can look out for the option called default and set it as a default device on your device. Apart from that, you can update or reinstall the audio drivers. For that, you can just go ahead and go to Device Manager. Open up your Device Manager. And once you open up your Device Manager, you need to go to Sound. Expand Sound, Video and Controllers. After you do so, you may look out for your drive. Right-click on it and look out for Update Driver option. And once you do so, you can search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for drivers manually. Apart from that, you can run the troubleshooter. For that, what you can do is go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, go over and go to System. From System, go over to Troubleshoot. And from Troubleshoot, find the option for other troubleshooters. And from other troubleshooter, you can go ahead and look out for the option called audio troubleshooter for your Windows media player or the audio device that you're using, and let Windows detect and fix your problem. And apart from that, you can install Windows Update. You can look out for Windows Update and click on it. And from there, look out for update, click on install all and install all of the updates that are latest available. And that's it. That's it for today's video. Now your headphone sound should be working perfectly again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple fixes.